Beauty and wisdom are the food and the sword of positive change. Alphonse Mucha is one of the greatest artists we've ever had. He created a series of artworks that were meant to transform the viewer. It was meant to fuel the hearts of poets and empower the people who wanted to change the world. Mucha's original work of Le Pater has been out of print for 125 years. I spent 20 years researching and 3 years of writing, and this book contains the entirety of Alphonse Mucha's work with a mountain of contextual support and detailed decoding of all of the symbolism that Mucha hid inside. All editions of this book have been sold out for over a year. There's a curse that says, may you live in interesting times. Well, we are living in interesting times. If you are looking for beautifully encoded keys to unlocking the ways that we can transform ourselves and the world around us, then this book is for you. Pledge now. Get this book into your library.